Hello you guys, welcome to a new video where I will be showing you what I got from Dior. Well, 11/11 and I think that it's time to show you what I got. I see what I got from Dior. If it comes out of the bag somehow. Like, I need help. I'm gonna... Yes, it's coming out. Alright. It's so cute, right? Let's zoom out. You see it already? It's so cute. Just can't like describe the feeling that I have when I just have this in my hands, because I really wanted this so much. Like, when I saw it, I just fell in love with it immediately. I saw it in LA and I was like, oh my god, I need this ASAP. So yeah, I want to like unbox it now. 11/11 is perfect timing. So yeah, are you guys ready? I am ready too. So beautiful. Dior. So I got the ribbons off already, and now we're gonna open the box, and it looks like this. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Aha. So yeah, let's see which color it is. I'm so excited. Ta-da! Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. I cannot believe it, guys. I actually can't believe it because I wanted it, so I got it. This is really my first Dior bag, actually. Dior, Dior, Dior. Everywhere is Dior. Okay, guys. Let's see how this looks like. My bag is the first time that I'm seeing it outside of the shop, and I'm like, I cannot believe that I'm having it here with me right now. Guys, oh my god. Literally, oh my gosh, I cannot believe it. I can't believe it. Actually, I can believe it, but wow. She is a beauty. She is a beauty. How cute is she? She is super cute. I love it. I love it. I cannot believe it. I actually can't believe it. But this is my baby. This is my Dior mini lady bag. So cute. And I can wear it in this outfit, actually. Would be cute, right? I cannot believe that I'm having this bag for real. That is just crazy to me. Oh my god. I really wanted this bag. It's like a shimmery bag, you know? A shimmer on it, so it's very unique. Oh my god. I saw so many other colors that I really wanted to, but this one was so cute. I wanted this one immediately. I wanted it immediately already when I saw it in the shop, but I knew I should wait a little. And it has these straps that come with it, and it fits my phone and everything in it. Like, it's just perfect. It's just perfect. Like, I'm in love with this bag. Let's put it on. That was the unboxing.